Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Asawa ko na po yung babaeng gusto ko makasama araw-araw.
My dearest Bernard, the moment I saw you again, after so many years in that unexpected place and time, I just feel like something good is about to happen. Nagkaroon ng malinaw na direksyon yung life ko and nakita ko yung worth ko. Kasi pinaramdam mo sa akin na deserve ko ang isang tulad mo.
Dahil palagi mong sinasabi sa akin na nakakapagpahaba ng buhay ang pagsuot ng ganyan, gusto kitang makasama hanggang sa pagtanda. Legit pare, legit. Pero hindi naman tayo aasa lang sa ganyan. Aalagaan kita ng tama, papakainin kita ng masustansya, at sisiguraduhin ko na palaging masaya ka. Nang sa ganon, yung goal na mahabang buhay ay ating matamasa. I love you and see you later, asawa ko. Love lots, Mrs. Season. I miss you. Love you more.
Can't wait. The day is shining. I can't wait. There ain't no hiding. And I'm dancing on the horizon. I can't wait. I can't wait no more. I found my heart a new beginning.
I remember the old days when I always pray to God na sana kung sino man yung babaeng kaloob niya para sa akin ay lagi niyang poprotektahan at ilayo sa mga masamang pwedeng mangyari sa kanya. Magalang ko ding hinihiling noon na sana maging mas malapit siya sa Diyos. And then I met this pretty girl again.
I can't wait. The day is shining. I can't wait. There ain't no hiding. Yeah, I'm dancing on the new horizon. And I can't wait. I can't wait no more. I can't wait. The day is shining. I can't wait. There ain't no hiding. Yeah, I'm dancing on the new horizon. And I can't wait. I can't wait no more. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait no more. You know I can't. I can't wait no more.
100 things I love about you. May you please take one capsule every time when you miss me, you're mad at me, or every time we face any difficulties that will challenge our relationship. This will help us to choose each other despite how our journey will try to break us.
Feels like I'm dreaming to be wherever you are.
Dapat nating alalahanin kung gayon na ang pag-aasawa ay itinatag ng Panginoong Diyos para sa kapakinabangan at kaligayahan ng mga taong kanyang nilalang. Itinuro ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo na sa pagkakasal ay pinapagsasama ng Diyos ang lalaki at babae upang maging isang laman lamang sa paningin ng may kapal.
Your eyes are like oceans. Wave after wave, you are pulling me in. My true love and devotion. I'll spend eternity and only begin to see our love forever.
There are only 5 love languages but you made them 6. Sa Caloocan yung office mo pero hinahatid at sundo mo ako sa BGC para lang ma-sure mo na safe ako. Priority mo palagi ang safety ko. You're always willing to wait for hours just so we could go home together.
Together we'll build a home that is filled.
I know, this sounds crazy, but that time, agad na bumilis ang tibok ng puso ko. Doon ko napatunayan na totoo pala talaga na humihinto ang oras at mga pangyayari sa paligid ko. Wala akong ibang ingay na naririnig kundi yung tambol ng puso ko.
I won't miss a thing.
I'm thankful because you love my parents too, and you proved that they shouldn't be afraid that you'll be with me for the rest of my life.
Her smile, her waving hair, and the way our eyes meet, nanlamig ang mga kamay ko. Hindi ako nakagalaw ng ilang segundo. That time, we unexpectedly meet.
Your eyes are like oceans. Wave after wave, you are pulling.
Dahil dito, iiwan ng lalaki ang kanyang ama at ina at makikisama sa kanyang asawa at ang dalawa ay magiging isang laman. Kaya hindi na sila dalawa kundi isang laman. Ang pinapagsama nga ng Diyos ay huwag papaghiwalayin ng tao.
Not knowingly, this pretty girl standing in front of me, siya na pala yung laman ng mga panalangin ko.
I never thought that I would have a wedding. I never thought that I would dream of bringing children to this world with someone, and that someone is you.
Stop loving you. Loving you.
You have shown me what real love is. You have shown me what being present means, and most of all, you have shown me how to communicate. Ikaw ang nagturo sa akin paano maging kalmado sa lahat ng sitwasyon.
Charmaine season, finally, here we are, closing a page, starting a new chapter. Can't wait to go home with you every single day. I love you, Charmaine.
Never gonna stop loving you. I'll love you forever. For all time.
I'm so glad I made this decision of marrying you because it was the yes that changed my life forever. We are in this together now. May we always be this happy, healthy, and in love with God as the center of our relationship. I can't tell what tomorrow may hold, but I can promise you'll never face it alone. I love you to the moon and back, my dearest husband. Love lots, Mrs. Season.